Hello, boys and girls, and parents. Welcome to another health lesson. For this week's health lesson, we are going to go back and retouch the topic of MyPlate. So raise your hand if you remember MyPlate. That's right, if you were thinking about the fruits, vegetables, protein, grains, and dairy, you are in the right ballpark. So parents, MyPlate is our modern day food pyramid. So instead of talking about the food pyramid, nutritionists decided to rearrange the whole concept, and instead of making a pyramid, we made a plate, something that appeals more to everyone, and how to divide the plate to be able to provide these five food servings, which are protein, vegetables, fruits, grains, and dairy. So what exactly are we doing today regarding MyPlate? What's our health activity about? So let's find out. So we are right now in our PE and health homepage. We are going to click on our health tab. Then we are clicking on this week's link. And below all this writing right here, below all of this, you will find this video which you are watching right now. Or on this side, it will be on Spanish. So let me go over some directions. So after you're done watching this clip, you are going to click on this link right here. This link says MyPlate BlastOff. So what does that mean? BlastOff is the name of this game that we are going to play for health. And clicking on this link will take me to that website where the game is at. In this website, you will come across a game that you will have to load up your spaceship with nothing but healthy food. And you have to include all the five groups in MyPlate. If you do that properly, your spaceship will take off successfully. If you do not fill it up with proper food and nutrients, guess what? It is not going to get to the next planet. So let's look at this amazing website. So we are going to click here where it says MyPlate BlastOff. And it's going to take you to the MyPlate official website. And we scroll down. And here it is. We are going to click where it says BlastOff. Now a screen might pop out and asking you to download Adobe Flash. Go ahead and do that if it does. I already did mine a while back, so mine will not pop out. See this right here. You saw that quick. It popped out, but since I already have it installed, it took me straight to the game. So if you don't have it, go ahead and do that. If you do, let's start. So we are going to click on play the game. Let me put my name. So I'm going to put coach. And I am going to pretend that I am an 11-year-old. Oh, here we go. So let's go over the rules again. So you, as an astronaut, you need to fill up your spaceship with nothing but smart food, so healthy food. And we also need to include our 60 minutes of physical activity a day, right? So you will fill up your spaceship with food for a day. So you are going to be gone for the whole day, so you need to put a bunch of food in your spaceship. Just like you, your spaceship needs food to give it fuel to last all day. So remember to add food to each meal. Be careful though. Make sure you fill up all your food groups and don't overload your tank. So remember, we need to include vegetables, fruit, grains, protein, and dairy. So let me show you exactly how to do this. So here are our five sections: fruits, vegetables, protein, grains, and dairy. Every time we add a food to our food group, this arrow is going to keep going up. Once we get to the green, that means we have satisfied our requirements and we are good to go. But we need to have every section get to the green. So let's start off with breakfast. So when we eat breakfast, we want to have a nice healthy breakfast. So here I see that we have some eggs. Oh, I love eggs. So we are going to add that to our fuel. And before it goes to your plate, it tells you exactly what sections you are satisfying. So by eating scrambled eggs, I am eating an ounce of protein. We need protein, right? So yes, of course, let's add that to our fuel tank, to our spaceship. And as you can tell, look, this thing went up. Why? Because we just had some protein. Let's put some more stuff for our breakfast. Some oatmeal. Some oatmeal is healthy and is great. What does it have? It has 2 ounces of grains and no sugar. Amazing. Let's add that to our fuel tank. Look at this. You selected a whole grain. That's great. So whole grains are amazing for you. Those are our best type of grains we could have. We made a good choice, and that's why we got this Star Pilot. So look, we have our grain meter went a lot significantly. What else can we add to our breakfast? Let me see. Do we want pizza? No, thank you. Oh, a banana. We know for sure banana is a fruit. Sure enough, it's giving me 3/4 of a cup. So we are going to add that, and look at the meter go up. It went almost halfway. And let me see, I want anything else for breakfast? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. For sure, I want some milk. I'm going to add some milk for our bones. And look, our dairy meter went up also almost halfway. Do we want anything else for breakfast? We have some oatmeal. We have some scrambled eggs, some banana, and some. I think that's good enough for now, right? Okay. So now let's go to, oh, and some water. We always need water, right? Yes, water does not satisfy any group, but look, it has 0 sugars. Great. So let's add that to our tank. So now let's move on to lunch. Lunch. Okay, so I see a spinach salad. I know spinach is really important. It has vegetables and it has protein, right? Oh yes, it has a little bit of protein. It has vegetables for sure, and even some grains. So let's add that to our tank. Look at the vegetable meter go up. Amazing. All right, what else can we add? Something that's healthy. I am going to add some rice and peas. Oh yes, that should have some vegetables on it, right? Oh no, but it has some protein and some grains, so why not? Sure. All right, right on. I know I need more fruits, right? So I already had a banana. I have some strawberries and some peaches to choose from. Decisions, decisions. I am going to go with some strawberries. And yes, I am consuming half a cup of strawberries. I'm going to add that to our fuel tank. And look at our food level almost get to the green. What else do we want for lunch? Ah, some celery. I love celery. And right here is asking me for some ranch. Do I want some ranch? No, thank you. Do I want some peanut butter? You know what? I heard peanut butter has protein, so maybe. Let's check that off. Sure. And look, we're almost there in protein. We're almost there. So what else can we get for our lunch? We need some more dairy, right? We need some water for sure. And maybe one more milk. So some dairy. Okay, I'm going to go with the 2%. And sure. So we're almost there. We're almost there. Let's go to our snacks. Maybe for our snacks we can get something that's not by our meter yet. So maybe we can get, I know a snack could be 1 or 2 things. So you know what? Maybe we could take out for lunch one of our milks. We don't need to drink too much milk. So let's take this off. Maybe for our snacks instead we could have a string cheese, right? It has dairy. Sure enough, it has dairy. And that's going to move us 3/4. And maybe we could have a grain snack. So maybe we can have, let's see, maybe we could have some whole wheat crackers. Yes, some wheat crackers. And now for dinner. With dinner, we should satisfy every category. I am going to have for dinner, I'm going to have a grilled fish. Ooh, 5 ounces of protein. That's a lot of protein. Yeah, so we satisfy our protein requirement. Nice. It says you have enough protein. That's why we have a star and we are at the green. What other food can we have? Maybe some watermelon. I love watermelon. And sure enough, we also satisfied our fruit requirement. We have 2 stars now. What about some veggies? I need something that has vegetables. Ooh, some broccoli. Broccoli for dinner is amazing. We add half a cup. Oh, we're not there yet. Oh, wow. Maybe our tossed salad. Yes. Maybe our tossed salad. Yes, there we go. We satisfy vegetable requirement. So now we just need our grains and dairy. Maybe for our grains we can have some brown rice. Yes? Sure. And finally, one last dairy activity. We could add some 2% milk. Right? Okay, so we satisfied everything. Now we need to put our activity. So for our recess, we are going to go to the playground. We are going to play for 20 minutes. Then, after lunch, we are going to play soccer for another 20 minutes. And finally, after, we are going to help out in the spaceship by doing some chores for 20 minutes. And that completes our 60 minutes our activity. So let's see if we packed enough food and enough healthy food to be able to blast off, for our ship to take off. So here we go. Are we gonna make it? Did we put enough food? Oh. And we made it. So we put enough food, enough healthy food for the whole day for our ship to make it to the next planet. Amazing. So now, let me tell you our next step. So you do not need to download the certificate. You know if you did a great job. Instead, you are going to keep messing with this website. So I want you to go back to this site and just start playing around with it. Play around with the website just like I did. Put different food on it and see if your ship does take off. If it takes off, it's because you put enough healthy food on the ship. If it doesn't take off, it's probably for 2 reasons. Number 1, you did not put enough food. And number 2, you did not put healthy food. Alright, so go back to the website, mess with it. You do not need to turn anything here at all. Just have fun. Enjoy the video. Enjoy the game. Do not get frustrated. Keep trying if your ship doesn't take off. Parents, also get involved with this website. I have fun with it. I'm sure you can also have fun with it as well. Okay, boys and girls. Remember to make healthy food decisions, healthy life decisions. Stay safe. Enjoy the lesson, and I will see you really soon. I am out. Bye.